Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the next topic is function. Function is also a special type of relations. Relation is a collection of ordered pairs. Function is a special type of relation. Function, we will follow some rules and methods, and based on that rules we will select the ordered pairs. See, every element of A has one and only one image, that should be a unique image in set B F, such that A to B, F from mapping from A to B. See, for example, see, this is set A and this is set B. Set A we will call it as domain, set B we will call it as codomain. For every element in the domain has one image in codomain. Now let us take the first one. 1 is mapped with 4, 2 is mapped with 1, 3 is mapped with 9. Every element of set A should involve in mapping with the set B. Then only we will say that it is a function. Now take the example 4. See here, in the set A, I have 4 elements. In set B, I have only 3 elements there. In this 2 mapped with 1, 4 has a image 3 and 6 has a image 5. 7 does not involves in mapping. This is not comes under the function. This is not a function. Here the element in the set A does not involve in mapping. This does not satisfy the condition, therefore this is not a function. Similarly, let us see the example 5 also. See, each element of set A has involved in mapping, but the element 6 does not have unique 6 has 2 images in this one. This should have only one image. Here the 6 has the image as 1 and the image as 3. This condition is also not allowed in the function, therefore 4 and 5, these two examples are not function. Now see here, this is domain and this is codomain here. Now the same thing, see here, in the set, in the example 2, in set A 4 elements are there, in set B 5 elements are there. So all these elements in the set A involves in mapping, but in the set B one element is left there. So whichever elements are involved in mapping, those elements we will call that as range. The total set is codomain. In that 7, 6, 5, 9, these elements alone involved in mapping, so those elements are called as a range. Here the range is not equal to codomain, whereas in the first one the range is also same, the codomain is also same, so we can say that range and codomain are equal. Now see the example third one. See, in the set A, each and every element of A has involved in mapping. See, this 4 has the image 3, the 5 also have the image 3. Both the elements involved in mapping, both are having the same element 3. This condition is allowed in the function. And here in the set B, 4 elements are there, only 3 elements involved in the mapping, 1 is left, therefore 2, 3 and 8 are range, and 2, 3, 8, 9 is a codomain. In this case also range is not equal to codomain. The next one is types of function. In this types of functions we have two main categories. One is one function and another one is many one function. One function we will call it as injective function. This one has a two types there, that is one onto and into. Similarly, in many to one also onto and into is there. Into is not there in your syllabus, just we will know what is that into. Only onto is there in the syllabus there. Onto is otherwise called as surjective function. One is called as injective, the onto is called as surjective function. Now let us see in detail. One function. The name itself one means each element of set A should have only one element in set B. Now see here, that is the definition for one. A function f from x to y is 1 when we will say that it is 1 means if the image of the distinct element of x are distinct. See, if this is my x and this is my y, image of distinct elements for separate elements of x, the image should also be separate. See, for here 2 only 5, for 1 it is 5, for 2 the image is 4, for 3 the image is 6. Here take the next one. Here if this is x and this is y, for 1 image is 5, for 2 it is 7, for 3 it is 8. See, here every elements involved in mapping. Here 4 elements are there, only 3 elements involved in mapping. So here I can say that the range is not equal to codomain here. But in the case of third one, see here, for 4 the image is 2, for 5 also image is 2. For the elements of x should have distinct element in y. Here 4 and 5 both are having same element. Therefore this will not come under one function. Only these two will come under one function. The definition for one is, for every x1 and x2 belongs to x, f of x1 and f of x1 and f of x2 are equal. This implies x1 and x2 are equal. Now see here, this is my f of x1, that is equal to f of x2. See, this also 2, this also 2. But that x1 and x2, here it is 4 and here it is 5, these two are not equal. X1 is not equal to x2, therefore it does not satisfy the condition of 1 therefore this function is not a 1 function. Now many to 1. A function f from x to y is many to 1 if the image of distinct element of x are same. See here, distinct element of x are same means this way of mapping. For 1 the image is 7, for 2 also it is 7, then this function is called as many to 1 function. Now see here in the next one, for 4, 5 and 6 here is there in the x, this is y. For 4 distinct element is there, but for 5 and 6 the element image is same, that is 3. So these two are the examples for many to 1. Now onto function. Onto function, simply we can remember only one thing is, range is equal to codomain, that is onto. If range is not equal to codomain, that is into. In a single word we can say, if range is equal to codomain, that is onto. If range is not equal to codomain, that is into. A function f from x to y is onto if every element of y is the image of some element of x. Every element of y is image of some element of x. That means every element in the of y will be some of the images of x, means the codomain will be equal to range. That's all. Now next one, 1 and onto. 1 means each element will have only one element, one image in the y. Element of x will have image in only one image in the set y. And onto function means range should be equal to codomain. See here, x is having image 2, y is having image 1, z is having image 3. So every element involved in mapping, every element is having unique image and here range is equal to codomain. If both 1 1 and on 2 is there, then that function is called as a bijective function.